Greetings of the day. Today's topic is Bihari cuisine. It is in unit 3rd. Bihari cuisine, Bihar ka swad, history. Bihar was called Magad in ancient times. It was capital, then known as Patliputra, was the center of first empire built in India, that was by Nanda dynasty. Bihar was hotbed of Indian civilization with its fertile land and able rulers like Chandragupta Maurya. Magad was a rich empire since the time of the Mahabharata. The land of Nalanda University has sprouted great thinkers and philosophers, and most importantly is the best place of Lord Buddha. Geography. Bihar is mainly a vast stretch of very fertile flat land. It has several rivers, Ganga, Bagmati, Kosi, Buddhi, Gandhak, and Falgu, to the name a few. Central parts of Bihar have some hills, for example, Rajgir Hills. The Himalayan mountains are to the north of Nepal, to the south of Chota Nagpur Plateau, which was part of Bihar until 2000, but now is a part of separate state called Jharkhand. Climate. Bihar is mildly cold in the winter, the lowest temperature being around 5 to 10 degrees Celsius. Winter months are December and January. It is hot in summer, 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. April to mid June are the hot months. The monsoon months of June, July, August, and September see good rainfall. October, November, and February and March have pleasant climate. Introduction to Bihari cuisine. When we think about Bihari food, we think of littis and thekua. Thanks to prasad of the famous Chat Puja performed by Chhat Puja performed by Biharis all over India. However, the food of Bihar has more to it and bears the stamp of the phases of its rich history. The food of Bihar has remained home cooked food and has not been promoted as a cuisine. Food habits. For people of Bihar, rice is the staple food, though they have also consume wheat to a large extent. The popularity of baked items in Bihar can be traced way back the Greek invasion under Alexander the Great. Many Greek soldiers stayed back and intermarried the local women, and naturally their food habits left an influence. Reference the rest. The rice was staple food since a long time can be found in historical document. Even during the time of Lord Buddha, the elite consumed the superior quality of fine grained rice, whereas the poor people had the inferior quality of fat grained rice. Bihari cuisine has innumerable rice based dishes. The Buddha was offered rice cooked with milk and mixed with honey. The Jatkas mention various items still popular today. Pua, a variation of Malpua, pretend from the mixture of flour, milk, sugar, ghee, and honey. Pitta rice cakes. Gaya is famous for tilkuta. Another delicacy from Gaya is lee prepared with sugar and beaten rice. The advent of the Mughals brought in influence of non-vegetarian items, biryanis, pulao, chicken, mutton items got introduced by people of Bihar, which is vegetarian. The staple food of the poor man is bhat, dal, roti, tarkari, and achar. The mustard oil is traditional cooking medium. Khichdi is the broth of rice and lentils seasoned with spices and served with several accompanying items like curd, chutney, pickles, papad, ghee, and chokha. Important dishes: Bhojpuri machli, marinated deep fried rohu fish cooked in masala made of onion, pepper, cumin seed, ginger, and garlic and served with plain rice. Litti, a baked delicacy made of atta dough stuffed with sattu, roasted grounded gram flour, and served with achar, bangan, or aloo chokha. Litti may be also be deep fried. Littis are crunchier if made with maida. Dal saga, a pui saag prepared with chana dal tempered with dry red chilies and whole cumin seed and served with plain rice. Pua, a round shaped sweet dish made with batter of whole flour and semolina, sugar and wheat, coconut and raisin, and deep fried till golden brown. Thekua, a tear-shaped cookies made of semi-hard dough made of whole wheat flour, ghee, sugar, raisin, fennel, and cardamom powder, and deep fried till golden brown. Meetha parval, a sweet dish made from parval in which boiled wax got dipped in sugar syrup and stuffed with a mixture of made of grated khoa, pistachio, raisin, and cardamom powder. Pidikia, a cookies made at the time of festival Tej. Maida dough is filled with mixture of semolina, grated khoa, grated coconut, raisin, given in a particular moon-shaped and deep fry. Chivda, beaten rice served with coat of creamy curd and sugar and jaggery. Dhuska, a deep fried item prepared from a mixture of powdered rice and ghee but is salted. Thank you.